We're going to start with the word lovely. She looked lovely in her dress. Lovely. Shh. Try it. Good. Look up at me when you're finished. Ooh, some of you were super fast. All right. I'm thinking of just the first syllable. Love, which is a sight word you learn pretty fast. Marcos, what'd you get?
L-O-V-E.
Good. L-O-V-E. It's one of those first words we learn how to spell. And then Lee. What ending is the Lee sound? Lily, sorry.
L-Y.
L-Y. Good. So spell the whole thing, everybody.
L-O-V-E-L-Y.
Lovely. Good. Now, looking at our chart, and I'm going to show our chart over here that we just made. Looking at our syllable kinds. I don't know if we got it there. All right. On the word lovely, which syllable breaking rule will we pick? Where should we break it? Tell me. Careful. Raise your hand. Tegan.
There's a E and the L.
Right, the E and the L. It's kind of like you're taking off the suffix, right? Because love is the first syllable, Lee is the second syllable. All right, erase this, Speedy, quick. Say, oh, that was easy.
Oh, that was easy.
It sure was. All right, ready? Playful. The puppy is so playful this morning. Play, which is a sight word you know. Full. Playful. Write it down. Write it down, please.
Because you're sitting in my spot.
Yep.
Ooh.
Playful. I'm sorry, I'm going to take your board away if you're not doing what you're supposed to do. Good. All right, thinking about that sight word play. How did you spell it? Thumbs up or hands up if you know. Good. What's under play?
P-L-A-Y.
Good. And then our ending full. Which full is it? There's two endings that make the full sound. Emery?
F-U-L.
Yes, F-U-L. Looking at our chart, where should we break it? Where should we break it? Looking at our chart. Freddie?
Between the U and the F.
The U and the F right here?
I mean the Y and the F.
Oh, the Y and the F. Thank you for changing your mind. Because you're kind of like taking off full, right? Play is a word. Full is the ending. All right, erase it, Speedy, quick. All right, we'll do one more spelling word, then we're going to move into words that we don't know. These are pretty easy. Wishful. Wishful. Quickly, hon, get a board. Wishful. Wish is a word, and then add the ending full. Wishful. Who thinks they could spell the whole word? Lil?
W-I-S-H-F-U-L.
Good. She did it pretty fast, too. All right, where should I break it? Mason, where should I break it? Between what letters? Good. I don't know if you can hear her, but she said between the H and the F, because full is by itself. Wishful. All right, erase the Speedy quick. Say, we're ready for harder words.
We're ready for harder words.
I think that's true. Let's try the one that Nathan did earlier. Ready? Thankful. I'm so thankful no one's coloring on their board when they're not supposed to be. Thankful. So thankful. Think about thank.
He's not ready.
Thank. Shh.
I think that's
And then think about the ending full. Please don't call out. You know how to do it. Don't put on the show. All right. Is there anyone who thinks they know the whole word? The whole word. Avery?
T-H-A-K-F-U-L.
All right, let's look at it. All right, is this thankful? Okay. Now, I'm thinking there might be something that's missing. Let's stretch it out. Thankful. What do we miss?
N.
We call it the ugly letter. What is it?
Ugly N.
Ugly N. Because listen, sometimes kids forget that that NK. So let's. All right. So spell it again with that ugly N. Go ahead.
T-H-A-N-K-T-U-L.
Okay. Did you say K or T? K, good, okay. T-H-A-N-K, thank, and then full, F-U-L, full. Where should we break thankful? Tegan.
To the S and the K.
Good, the F and the K. Because thank is a word, and then full is the ending. All right, let's try a nonsense word. You ready? Erase the Speedy quick. Because we want to see if you really know the rules back there on nonsense words too. Okay? All right, the word is stargle. Stargle. I don't know what a stargle is. It sounds like a Dr. Seuss word, doesn't it? Stargle.
I think it is.
Don't interrupt.
How do you spell glue?
I don't know. You tell me. Gull. We
nice.
learned all the gull endings. All right. Who has the first part? Star. Addie, what do you think?
S-T-A-R.
Good. Just the star part. All right. Star and then gull. What makes the gull ending? Marcos.
G-L-E.
G-L-E. Do you agree?
Spell it the whole way.
Did you have that, Addie? Okay. Then spell the whole word then.
S-T-A-R.
Go to the back table. G what?
L.
Honey. Good. Stargle. All right, now look at the word stargle. Where would we break it? So we're up here. All right. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. All right, where should we break it? Yes.
Between the R and the G.
The R and the G. Let's see. Good.
Is he sick or something?
Good. What's the rule about stargle? Why'd you break it there, Freddie? Do you remember the rule? Look at your chart over there. What do you think? Why'd you break it there? Anybody know? It doesn't have to be Freddie. What's the rule? I'm looking at the ending right here on stargle. Let's look at it. We broke it there, but why? Matthew, why?
L-E, count back 3.
Good. L-E, count back 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then you put the little breaking line. Good job. All right, erase the Speedy quick. All right.
Yeah, no, it's